Hey, what's up guys? If you have noticed anything about the way I do my videos, you can tell that my voice is, for lack of better words, it's monotone as fuck. I could be talking to like that. Fuck. This is why I sound monotone, because I always fucking stutter. Anyways, today's video is gonna be more about a game, but instead, I'm gonna make this game kawaii in a really cringy term. So the game I'll be playing is called Dead by Daylight. It's been out since 2016, and it's a horror-based survival game where you play as killer or you play as survivors, where there's 4 survivors and 1 killer. The killer must kill all the survivors, while the survivors must try to escape and, you know, not die. A lot of YouTubers already play this game along with Twitch streamers. Now, one YouTuber by the name of Monto made a video reenacting all the sounds using his voice. And to me, I think that was really creative, and the inspiration for this video is from Monto. So I just want to give credit where it's due. You can check out his YouTube channel and you can check out his stream. I've been playing this game for about 3 years and I still suck, so please bear that in mind. Oh, Jesus Christ. How am I gonna edit this in? I don't have a Mori yet for the new killer Pyramid Head. This is actually my first killer that I actually bought. I don't usually buy killers, I usually just buy survivors, but really excited to see how this will play out. We have an obsession, so obviously they're gonna have DS. I'll see how this game goes. I really don't know how it's... I really don't know. I still get confused on this map too. Let's break this door. Trail of whatever. I don't know. Okay, finally. Freaking found someone. Trail this, so just in case I want to loop. Let's see, you're gonna go into a room, nothing there. Give you a smack. Okay. And you went into this. You did not go into this room. You went here and... I have the stupid. Oh, hello. What were you doing? Oh, you're the obsession, you have DS, okay. Maybe. Alright, you're injured, let me give you, and I suck. We both suck. Why did you drop that pallet? Like, what? I'm gonna try to get at least 1 Mori in this game, so I'm gonna try to get 2 hooks and then kill the final hook with the Mori. Alright. Okay, there's... Take this gen. Go Insidious. Maybe they'll save her and maybe I could like get the other survivor. I'm just trying to find other survivors right now. Okay, they got her. I don't want to tunnel you. You have DS. Where's the other person? Locker maybe? No, I'm an idiot. Okay. Okay, I know they're over there, but I hear someone. Okay. I really don't want to pick you up. You're the only one I found so far. And I really don't want to be that killer. I want to have some variety and spice, you know what I mean? Let's see. Well, I guess I'm picking you up. I'm sorry. What? What? I literally could not go through that. What the shit? Okay, so I know 2 of them over there at least. So hopefully the other one goes for the save, because I'm going to try to go there. Let's see, there should be a hole down here. Nope, I'm an idiot. This freaking map confuses the hell out of me. And she killed herself. Okay, that happened. I was not camping you. I am Insidious. Ah! Okay, gonna throw that. I believe that's a god palette. I believe. I don't know. This is why I can never make it into red ranks. I'm not a good player, and he disappeared. I'm a potato. No, I still see scratch marks, I mean... Yeah. I'm not finding anyone. They just keep really missing skill checks. Oh, alright, Nurse is coming in clutch. Give him a good old sneak. And what? Finally! The other survivor. Oh, shit, that actually hit. His secondary attack is actually pretty hard to use. Alright, you do know I can jump through there, right? Okay. Pretty simple. Let me just kick this gen. I can't. Alright, let's go back to Lori. Okay. I'm gonna block this off just in case they want to loop this if I come back. Maybe I can kick the gen now and get Insidious. Maybe. I don't know. Alright. Let's kick this too. Get some points. Oh, okay, finally they got the unhook. And I can't find him again. Oh, hello. Nice. Where were you going? Literally, where were you going with that? But I guess. It's like, am I trolling them or they're trolling me? I'm confused. That's your first hook too. Everyone I think has one hook. I think. Kick this. Walk around. Gotta go back for the camping. I still can't find them. Oh, finally I've seen some scratch marks. And I'm an idiot. Okay. Chase music just started. I wasn't even looking at him. Let me get you with your old razzle dazzle, and I missed. Nice. Okay, let me just try to hit this. Got the hit. And you're tormented. Alright, let's see. I think you're the higher ranked survivor, maybe. Alright, use it. A mind game, though, I guess. Alright, I got stuck. I'm stupid. Maybe you're in here. I'm stupid times 2. Jesus Christ, this is why. Oh my gosh. Hello? That's 2 times in a row. Are you boosted? Are you like rank 20 or something? Did you like, you were the friend or something? I don't know. Let's see, and why did I do that? Maybe I'm boosted. Oh hell. Alright, I'm gonna assume, yep, I was right. Wow, that was really, you're really predictable. I'm thinking maybe you're rank 17 or something, I don't know. Okay, so you're there and 2 people up there, but I'm gonna try to put pressure a window. Nope, I'm stupid. I still don't know this map. Why would you do that? You could have gone straight. Okay, let me go upstairs. I don't know what the stairs are. Let's get a hook. Alright, let's see, where's the hook at? There's nothing over here. Oh shit, she's probably gonna escape. It's gonna suck. No, I think we're good. We should be good. And they finished. Let me see if I can get it. I don't even know where the stairs are. Oh, Jesus Christ. And they finished it, of course. I mean, I have a pretty good 3 gen right now. I think I'm pretty good. Break. Scratch marks. Where's my chase music? No yet. Nothing yet. Oh, you again. Hello. You're our 3rd time. Let me see if I can try to fake him out. Hello? Alright. Drop the pallet too. You're gonna go run out the door. And nope, you're just gonna go right for me. I mean, all for you, my dude. Where's the hook? Okay, it's right there. Alright. And yeah, if you haven't seen it already, I do play on PS4. I would play on PC, but I already got this game on PS4, and I don't want to rebuy it. Okay, you're here. Oh, shit! I didn't see. You want to loop this? No, you're not gonna loop it. You don't look behind you either. Right for me. Like at this point, it's not my fault. Like they're loopable. And you're dead. I forgot. Okay, that happened. Let's just keep kicking this gun, I guess. Alright. Okay, you again. Drop the pallet again. You know what? Let's just pick this. Whatever. And go upstairs. Keep checking gens. Oh, okay. Oh, you gonna teabag? I mean, I can chase you. I guess. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna drop the pallet. Dumbass. So this room, I think, only has one door. Oh, it has two. But I'm gonna try to push her towards like the corner when I break the pallet. Oh, okay, thank you. I'm gonna break this, she's in the corner. And you're gonna run straight towards me. Nice. Whatever, my dude. Alright. What you gonna do here? You're gonna drop the pallet again? Yep. Predict and yeah. Let's just see what's in you here and get you later. Break this. Check the locker and nothing's here. And there's Scratch. I can see you. You're gonna jump the pallet right automatically. Take a little live? Or maybe I'm just dumb? Maybe. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna go to the left and what? What are you doing? Lori, what are you doing? Alright, since you're dead on hook, I don't want to hook you yet, so I'm just gonna leave you here and try to find the other person. I'm just gonna pick you up. Okay, you're dead. If they find the hatch, they find the hatch. Oh shit, hatch is right here. Okay, I mean, is he around? Just in case. I mean, why am I doing this? I'm gonna close it anyways. Okay, maybe he's still around, so I'm gonna lock up this door, and then I'm gonna go straight to the other door. I'm probably not gonna make it. He's probably gonna escape. Yeah, he's there. God damn it. Yeah, he got it. Get some more points. And yeah, okay. Some pro gameplay. Oh man, I'm really loving this new killer. I mostly main Doc and not Spirit, Nurse and Doc. So this is gonna be my new main I've been playing with. I don't have all the perks, I don't have all the killers. I'm not really a Dead by Daylight person, but hope you enjoyed.